I be really out here shining, so I keep that thing. No, them boys ain't adding up, yeah, that's cause we the problem. Always tweaking, I mix lean, fuck around and trick them.
Then we give a fuck about some DPD, dumbass niggas.
Now, how do y'all think this ended? Oh, don't even worry about it. I'm gonna show you how it ended.
Let's go!
Another case of when chasing clout goes wrong. Detroit Police's social media team tracked down this rapping passenger and driver after they posted video of themselves pointing Dracos at a DPD scout car online.
Really, the message is, I guess you can say if you want to play stupid games, you'll win stupid prizes. But you brought us to you.
Was there a reason why? That either of these guys said that they were pointing a gun at a scout car or a police car?
No, nothing was said at this point. But they'll get some time. It's, for the life of me, I have no idea why you would do that. Yeah.
And then put it on social media.
And then post it on social media.
While the passenger's gun is hard to miss, we'll slow the video down as the phone camera pans over to show the driver's arm too. Fox 2 obtained a photo of police arresting one of the two 19-year-olds Tuesday in a neighborhood on Detroit's west side. Their charges are pending, which is why we blurred this suspect's face. But wait, there's more. Investigators found the suspects tied to another, more serious crime.
What's fascinating about it is once we started doing some more work, it comes back to a couple of individuals that were wanted for a non-fatal shooting in October of last year.
Police say those guns may be tied to that October shooting. DPD took a third person into custody, but he was later released. Officers discovered Glock switches in the suspect's car, which raises this case to a federal level. On Detroit's west side, Brandon Hudson, Fox 2 News.
So those of you that have been following me for a little while, you all know that I live in the city of Detroit, okay? Born and raised, grew up in the projects, Brewster Projects, right off of St. Antoine and Mac. Terrible neighborhood. It was literally the ghetto, the hood, gang violence every other day. Y'all get it. Y'all know how it goes, right? I will never for the life of me understand why you young niggas think that it's cool or you want to chase and be involved and be around gang activity. I'll never understand it. I was around it and I never wanted it. I wanted out. I wanted me, my mom, to get the fuck away from the projects. But you niggas, oh, there's a chemical imbalance somewhere. I said before that the next generation, the one that came immediately after mine, is fucking cooked. It's over. It's up for y'all. You niggas is done. Because this what we got to deal with. This what we got to work with going forward. This is what we have to work with going forward. Hey, you know the interesting thing about this too? The interesting thing about it is that not only did they post about it, not only did they record it, you recorded it on your phone, so you recorded the activity, right? You are trailing officers in a marked unit. You're trailing them. You're right behind them. Not only did you record yourself doing this, but you said, I think we'll go ahead and post this shit online. The cops the entire time are just looking at you and like, oh, thank you. You heard him say it. Y'all let us write to you. You fucking dumbasses led us right to. We didn't even have to go far. Whoever the investigator was on that team, easy money. Easy days pay right there. He was home by 1. By 1 p.m., investigator was home with his family. He was getting supper ready, getting dinner ready, kick back, music going, fireplace on, chilling. By 1, he was good to go. Oh, no, Captain, don't worry about it. Don't worry about it. We got him. We fucking got him. So I want to take y'all to what happened when this got to court the next day. And I won't say the next day. a couple days later. But 36th District Court is where you saw this. Let's watch.
Alarming with him pointing the gun at a DPD police vehicle being filmed, saying we don't give them.
I know this man. It's been on social media.
Yeah, that's alarming. And then he had the audacity to actually turn the video to his face so he could be identified. Allegedly, in this particular incident, the defendant had to get him before him, being the gunshot victim, ended up getting the defendant. And that's exactly what the defendant did. And those are the defendant's words. Those aren't even my words, that he had to go and get him before him, gunshot victim, ended up getting the defendant. And subsequent to the shooting, we apparently have this defendant making a rap song. I mean, he loves his social media because he put a rap song out there, apparently about this whole incident, rapping about what he did.
Judge, it's a song. It's free speech. It is a song. Nobody saw Mr. Perry at a gas station. Interviews initially from the complainants that said, we're not even going to even talk about this. They were so uncooperative. They didn't want to talk about it, Judge.
Very alarming with him pointing the gun at a deep.
Did you hear the defense? Did you hear the defense lawyer? That was the only thing he could focus on. Judge, it's a song. It's just, no, it's not just a song, no. Y'all ain't learned nothing from all the other fucking cases that we just, that have been plastered all over media where niggas putting real life shit in their songs. Y'all ain't learned from that? No. Okay. All right. See, they love you. They love to see you rapper niggas with guns. They love to see y'all. Oh, listen, y'all are the best. Y'all probably tier 1 of criminals that's the easiest to catch. Y'all tier 1 for sure. Y'all, listen, y'all at the front. We ain't even got to do much. We ain't got to do much research on y'all. We just got to go just collect your socials. Because like he said, he love his fucking socials. Y'all can't stay off the social scene. Y'all need that clout. Y'all want that clout. Y'all want that more. Y'all want to be stars just like the baddies do. Niggas want to be stars, social media stars, just like the baddies. So what they going to do is they going to record everything. They going to record every action. They going to record every word. They going to go make two or three rap songs about it. They going to rap about killing their ops. They going to rap about how many drugs they sold. They going to rap about where they going to pick up the drug money from. They going to rap about how much money they made. They going to rap about it all. You ain't got to do nothing. They going to include it right there in the record. Right there in the fucking record. We ain't got to do no work. I want to be an investigator. That's easy money. Easy fucking money. Y'all rapper niggas with guns? Oh, love to see y'all coming. Love it. The younger, the better. Because the more stupider y'all are. Love to see y'all niggas coming. Love it. So let's read this right here. It says, the Detroit man who allegedly pointed a Draco at Detroit police officers has been charged. Authorities said on Friday the suspect reportedly filmed himself and posted the video on social media, prosecutors said. He even revealed his face toward the end of the video. Smart. Amari Perry has been charged with several felonies, including charges related to a shooting he was allegedly involved in at a gas station in October of 2024. So you just hot off the press. You so hot in the ass, you was like, I can't wait to get some more action in. You thought you was in fucking Miami Vice. That's what you thought. That's what it was. You thought you was in Miami Vice. You like, I can go head up with the cops. It's nothing. I seen Will and Martin do it. Listen, I seen it done before in the movies. It's not too much of a difference. I could do it too. The Wayne County prosecutor stated that after the shooting, Perry created a rap song referencing the incident. Some of the lyrics in his recent posts include, we going to hit them with that fully and watch them hollows hit. Well, let me tell you what you're going to watch hit now. You're going to watch something hit, but it ain't going to be no hollows. And you going to have a front row seat, too. You and your mans. I want to know who the driver was. Could you imagine being the driver and you driving your homie around the city? Y'all get behind a patrol unit and your man's ups the Draco. He's sitting right next to you. He ups the Draco while recording. And you still stay there and say nothing? Oh, he puts you on camera too. You on camera too. Aiding and abetting much? Oh, you niggas is cooked. Prosecute these dumbass niggas to the fullest extent of the law. To the fullest extent. These the type of people that don't never need to be back out on the streets. They too dumb to be out here with the rest of the commonwealth of the people. They don't need to be out here at all. I guarantee if you release them, if they get released, they gonna come right back out here and get right back to the dumb shit. I promise. I promise. We can lock them up and throw away the key. Let that bitch rust. Lock them up, throw away the key, never let them see the light of day again. These are the same ones that'll be somewhere else, hijacking somebody at the gas station, robbing somebody at the liquor store, stealing cars out the driveway. These are the same niggas. No need. We've seen enough. Hey, yo, we got enough data on them. We've seen everything that we need to see with these two. Go ahead, especially this one here. Hey, y'all let me know what y'all think down in the comments, man. I'm done. I'll see y'all in the next one. Later.